In this video, I'm going to give you a quick rundown on how to place bandit signs. Bandit signs are marketing signs that are posted or staked in the ground commonly used by real estate investors to market their houses for sale but can be used for many other purposes. The bandit signs we typically use for selling houses look like this. Handwritten yellow signs that have "I buy houses" and "any condition" with a local phone number. The first thing you'll want to do is order the signs. We use signwarehouse.com. In the search box, you can type in this product name and it will pull up the 24 by 18 inch yellow blank signs. We usually suggest ordering 50 to 100 signs at a time. Then, if you type in the stake product name, it will pull the stakes needed to place the signs in the ground. These come in boxes of 50, so we suggest ordering 1 or 2 boxes depending on the amount of signs you order. Once you get the signs in, use a black Sharpie to write large enough on the sign to see it from the road. Do this on both sides of the sign. We suggest placing 25 bandit signs at a time in busy intersections, off-ramps, commercial areas, and residential areas. It is important to use a local phone number on these. If you don't live locally, you can go to Google Voice and get a local number for free, and it will not be traceable. To avoid any trouble from the city, you can put the signs out on Friday evenings and remove them on Sunday evenings. Weekends are usually the best for traffic anyhow. Some cities even waive the rules on the weekends. When you receive calls, go ahead and fill out the real estate lead sheet. Do bandit signs really work? Bandit signs work great because they target motivated sellers that are usually desperate to sell. They either don't want to go through the trouble of finding a realtor, they don't think their house could sell in its current condition, or they just can't afford to wait. For many homeowners that find themselves in a stressful situation, calling a number on a sign might make them feel more comfortable than walking into a real estate office.